Orlando Pirates versus Milford FC, sorry. So they're going to be playing at Amstel Arena. Can they defend their title? Is this game going to be one of the games to look out for? We don't know. Stay tuned. That's what we're going to be talking about in regards to Orlando Pirates. Before we go there, I'd like you to subscribe. Please like the video. Please leave a comment. Share it with your friends. It helps the algorithm to share it to more people like yourselves. So welcome back, guys. This is another video. I'm covering Orlando Pirates at the moment. Orlando Pirates is playing their first league encounter of the 26-27 Betway Premiership. They're playing a home game. We're expecting a lot of fireworks. They must work. And they've just signed two players, Tapelo Mukubodi from Stellenbosch, and they've found another striker, I guess, Patu Baby Haaland. He played with Haaland, good development. Patterson is his name. They bought him for around 4.5 mil. And this is what we're talking about. They were looking for a striker and they got him. So I don't think he's going to feature in this game though, but it's worth talking about it in terms of signings. I don't know if they are done, but that's how far we know in regards to Orlando Pirates. They've wrapped up pre-season yabo. I don't think all the games went according to plan, but they are playing against quality sides. Let's be honest, they are playing against your Al Hilals, your teams in Spain and the teams in Europe as well. So they're playing against a really better opposition. And I guess what he's trying to do now is trying to test out different combinations with the new signings that he has. He has a big squad, that guy. That guy has a big squad. And with the new signings, mixing them with the old, I guess the biggest challenge for him now is create his own identity. I think for me, when pre-season, it looks like he's moving away from the Pirates of Rivero and the system that he's done. I hope he doesn't do that, because that might, decide how they're going to defend this title. So this game again becomes an important talking factor. Why? Because Pirates last season they lost their first two games. So now with them beefing up their squad, looking at preseason, Spolabo Radio Pane, getting a lot of game time in minutes. So Rapu, the new signings coming in. So that Upadime kid who's taken number 38, There's a lot of young talent, new signings in new positions, and some of the old guys, obviously, who are part of the treble season, and some of them have left. And the crop that is now, obviously, because Apolis joined late, and he joined late, but Umremi was already part of the squad. So I see he's healthy. And I think there was one guy who was injured, he's coming back. So there's a lot of things exciting to watch, and they play very good football. Apart from anything, never shy away from the fact that Pirates plays exciting, nice football, good on the eyes, nice to watch. So with everything on the line on the first game, it's a curtain raiser. They're playing their first game of the Betway Premiership. Not only which is their first game for them, it's the first game of the Sibugel in the new season. So a lot to look out for. I'm hesitant to give you my predicted lineup. Why? Is because I saw a lot of changes go pre-season. I was quite confused. Oguti, Lama lineup Pumayo. Is this the new Pirates that we're going to see? But I think what I can do is to give an idea, because I'm going to Chabotane. Probably he could be the new partner, Yaga CMO, who's the defender of the season. I don't know about the captain. It's going to be very hard to who's this guy? Tapelo Kloki. It's going to be very, very difficult this season for him, because these kids are raising up their hands. So he defends CA Chiefs. I mean, the Pirates look solid. It looks solid. In the middle, I think Gundul is coming back with I think one number 8, who's also Ukesh. Now, so the players for me, instead of giving you a predicted lineup, the players that I want to be able to see back would be this new player, Patterson. I don't know who's he told you ITC, but maybe if I'm near some minutes, probably it will send the data pass. But umuntu maybe sikhuluma practically who might get some minutes, similar to last season. Was their first game at abantu basa test. He's have a good season. Or preseason, he scored crucial goals for the Pirates. And Wadi seems to be a fan of him. I mean, probably could be one of the reasons why Abu Ulo, this guy who left, because he was a good sniper. He was a good sniper, but now obviously there were too many strikers, and maybe the coach wanted to just, clean a bit and have the striker that he prefers to have. So Redopani probably he could be competing Nabumbutuma, Napuzban. So I'll start there. So I'll start him if I'm giving you my lineup. Then immediately because Mbata, Nduli, Nemtajela, him coming back, the new signings, and all these things. I'm gonna shy away from giving you a lineup for now, to be fair, because I don't know what he's thinking this season. But if he had to come back with the same lineup, obviously we could see, let's say from the back, Siema, definitely. He's preferred. I don't know if Libito's gone. Yeah, Shandu's gone. So you could see. I don't know if he's back, man. That guy, Van Rooyen. Because for me, he looks like. For me, that would be my preferred starter in that right back position. But Asaz who's his favorite in terms of what. Then left back, Otto's still there, but I'd like Korapu to challenge a bit more. I think there's another guy, Nkosi Kamalake naye, umunye onokuthi aphumuze at that time. So then the midfield is going to be interesting. There's no more Umbuli, obviously, and Kampani Lugu. I forgot about him. Oh, sorry guys, forgot about Kampani Lugu. So in the midfield, you can see Cash, but maybe because now Paris loves to play with the double pivot. Ngasikhohlisi either kuzoba uNduli mangabe uCash healthy, then kuma-sides Murimi probably will be back. I don't think Police will start for me because the preseason in Kalili. I don't think Police will start. Number 10, going to be interesting. I don't know if it's going to be Ulungu or Udlamini. He's been part of the team for such a long time. Then go right wing as well. A lot of puzzles, that's why I said I'm shying away because Wado seems like he's creating his own team. But maybe Moremo on the right wing, Sendami, maybe Nayanga Figa, I wouldn't be too sure. That's one problem I'm battling with in covering this whole video because of the fact that the Pirates or Wado in the preseason has been very cryptic. And even first half, second half, his lineups were not really consistent for me to really give you a prediction. However, it's a strong squad. Milford is not a team that Pirates should be worrying too much about. That's why I am predicting that it's possible that they won't play their strong players, about Pedersen, although the new signings that they've played, and especially those who they see in terms of fitness, match fitness, all these things, they're not ready, but they need a result. At the end of the day, these points count at the end of the line, game 30. So important game for Orlando Pirates, for their fans, for everyone involved, them being champions, they're going back to the Champions League. They're playing so many cups in this season. So a lot to talk about. If you've made it this far, I want to say I appreciate you. You're part of the group of people who have helped us to get to 1,000 subscribers who are going there and putting out to the universe. I want to appreciate you. Just want to mention this again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to share the video. That's all I would have I've prepared for you right now in terms of conversation. What you can do me a favor is please don't leave a comment. Let's have the conversation. Do you think Pirates is enough to win? If I have to give you my prediction, I'll keep Pirates 3-0. I think it's going to be hammering. Scoreline. It's not like it's going to be a hammering scoreline. What do you think? Do you think Pirates has enough? Do you think they've prepared themselves enough? Are you happy with the lineup and how Uado has been using their players? And do you think Pirates or midfield can surprise them? I don't know. Maybe again it's going to be the same thing as last season where they lose or even draw their first game. So exciting times. Betway Premiership is back. This is your boy Mshini. I'll see you in the next video. And like I said, I appreciate you guys. Signing out. Thank you.